Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is Rajau from IIT Madras. So finally my BS Data Science degree of IIT Madras has been successfully completed, and I'm quite satisfied and quite happy by completing that course. So around 2.5 years back I've started this journey, and there were a lot of challenges, lot of struggles, lot of mistakes, lot of learnings as well. And after that long journey I'm quite satisfied that I have completed that journey. So in this video I'm going to tell you how I have completed my 4 years BS Data Science degree in just 2.5 years, and how you can also structure your learning journey so that you can get the maximum output from the course in the most efficient manner. So uh, uh, I will tell you how what courses I have taken, what mistakes I have done, and what mistake which I can avoid it, and how you can structure your own learning path. So all this I will discuss in this video. So I hope this video will provide a guiding path to many aspirants who are doing this journey, who are doing this degree. So before going to that aspect, let me tell you a brief intro about myself. So I started this BS Data Science degree in September 2022. So I'm 22 F3 student. So at that time I have not taken that course for completing the whole BS Data Science degree. So like many of you, I was also quite curious how this is, how this new course is, and what is the unique aspect of this. So just to get a feel of that, so I just enrolled for the qualifier, and then I qualified, secured the required marks, and then I enrolled in the official degree program in September 2022. So, as the time goes, progresses, so I started liking this journey, started liking the subjects. So initially in the foundation level, the subjects were quite easy for me at least. So I, as I progress in the journey, so the difficulty increases level by level. So I enjoyed the process, so I continued the whole journey, and at the end I am in the final degree phase. And on 13th April my last end term was there, and with this I successfully completed the BS degree. And so I started in 22 F3 and completed in 25 F1. So it was a 2.5 years program. So there were only terms. So in a year there are 3 terms. So you can calculate it. It is like that only. And along with that, I completed that minor course as well. If some of you were aware about that, IITM also offer minor in economics and finances if you complete some 2 or 3 courses. So I structured my learning journey so that I can complete the minor as well as in this by 25 F1. So I'm quite glad that I completed that as well. So apart from that BS degree, so I also enrolled in a on-campus program as a MS research scholar at IITM Madras, IIT Madras only, in electrical engineering department. So my MS degree also progresses side by side along this BS program. So I started my MS degree also in July 22. So they go parallel, and they go in parallel. So many times I face a lot of challenges in uh, uh, in both of these programs, but somehow I managed. And you can also manage if you structure your learning journey according to your self. So first you need to understand your requirement, your capabilities. On the basis of that only, if you structure your learning journey, then you can easily achieve any course in general, any learning path in general. So for that you need to self introspect, and you need to understand your capabilities, that how much you can devote the time to any course. So it does not matter how much time you are devoting to course. It depends how sincerely you are studying a course and what is your previous background. So I have seen a lot of students do not study from video, the lecture videos at all, but still they secure a good marks in final exam because they have the previous background. So everyone has a different story, everyone has a different learning path, learning background, so it is very difficult to compare with others. So that's why it is you need to understand yourself, and on the basis of that you need to structure. You can learn from others journey, but you do not need to copy others journey. So that is the important. So in this video also make sure learn from my journey, but do not try to copy my journey, because I have own my own set of challenges, and you might have your own set of challenges. So that's the important thing. So with this, let's see in my laptop screen what courses I have taken. On the basis of that, I will tell you what mistakes I have done and what mistake which you could have avoided. So let's go. Hello everyone. So welcome back. So let's see now how was my trajectory in this BS degree, and how you can adapt your trajectory accordingly. So let's first start from the foundation level. So as I told you before, like I started my first term in 22 F3, that is September 2022. So I took four foundation courses, as you can see here: English, computational thinking, mathematics for data science one, statistics for data science one. So if you have the previous background and you have done a previous degree, especially in the mathematics or engineering, then you will find this foundation level quite easy, and you don't need to invest more time in this. But don't judge the whole picture just by this trailer. The foundation level was made a little bit quite easy, just to make the flow easy, so that a student can adapt accordingly and start their journey properly. So that's why the foundation level, as the name suggests, it is quite basic, and so that you student can go with the flow. So this provided me the 16 credit. So uh, at that time I was not aware that we can credit the NPTEL courses as well in this course. So that's why I have not taken NPTEL courses. But since the load is very much less in the foundation level, I will suggest, if you can take, I will suggest to take the NPTEL courses in the foundation level itself, and you can credit it later in the degree term. So let's move the second term. So second term started in Jan 2023. So I generally took four courses or more every term, so that I can complete in the minimum possible time. But I make sure as well that I will not compromise with the learning. So that's why I structure my courses accordingly, so that the load uh, is according to my capabilities only. So so I took another set of foundation courses. So in the foundation level, I generally suggest to complete it, if possible, in the two terms only. So so that you can give more time in the diploma or the degree level. But if you are facing difficulty, then you can take more time. But if you can, you can. I will suggest to complete in minimum term, that is two terms. So the two courses which you need to focus more in the foundation level is this: programming in Python, and statistics and statistics and the programming in Python. So these two courses you need to focus more, so that later you will not face more much difficulty. So programming in Python, I've seen a lot of people, since they don't have the background in programming, so they face difficulty in programming Python, and this course has the OPP also. So that's the major concern for many foundation students. But if you devote more time, then I don't think it is more hectic. So believe me, the Python is the one of the easiest programming language. If you see the other programming languages that are more difficult than Python. So, and it has very easy learning path as well if you devote some time. So this provided me 16 plus 16, 32 credits. So by this Jan 23, my foundation level finished. So now I proceeded to the diploma level, but in diploma level, you will find the diploma in the programming and the diploma in data science. So you can either pursue it separately or you can pursue it together, as it is called DP and DD. So I mixed both DP and DD, but I did not find it that much interesting in that case because some of the courses are not related, and many times I find it there's a inconsistency in the course. So I did not get the proper flow of the learning when I was combining DP and DD. So if you can pursue it separately. That will be more better. That will be much better, I think so. But at the end, it is your choice. But I will suggest you to pursue it separately so that if you want, you can exit with one of the diploma as well. I've seen a lot of students just exit with the diploma, one of the diploma. So it depends on your need and your learning path. So as you can see here, uh, I took the one of the difficult courses right in the first term. So the PDS is considered one of the difficult courses of the diploma. Uh, so at that time, I was thinking to complete the difficult courses first, and then so that I can devote more time in the project part and in the later terms. So that's why I've not taken any project courses in this term. But I've done a mistake. I could have taken the BDM project in this term because BDM project generally took uh, took 2 terms or many times more than two. So in my case, also I completed BDM project in 2 terms. So I could have taken the BDM project in the this term and can could have completed in the next term. So uh, you can you can consider that as well. Apart from that, since I need to credit the NPTEL in the degree level, so I have taken the NPTEL technical part uh, in this term. So generally, people go for the easy uh, NPTEL courses, but I wanted to take the knowledge, so that's why I took the courses which are relevant to me. So I took the NLP and the deep learning for computer vision. So I took in the July October 23. So NPTEL works in a different way. So NPTEL has a 2 semester, but in our BS there are 3 terms kind of thing. So you need to take care of that. So if you want to credit in the PSC or a BS level, you need to complete the NPTEL, I think 1 term or 2 term before. So you need to take care of that as well. So I took the NLP and the deep learning for computer vision. So in my perspective, we just need to get the P grade. So why don't we take the courses which are relevant to us, so that we can uh, take the actual learning instead of just crediting the course. So that's why now it is now included in the our degree electives only, like INLP and the deep learning for DLCV. So it is not now not allowed to credit these two NPTEL courses. So now you cannot credit, but still there are a lot of good NPTEL courses. You can check it out. And in this PDS, I really found it difficult. And the DBMS, this course was uh, quite lengthy in terms of the content, and one of the important thing, it has the OPP, and the OPP is kind of a mandatory, and we need to secure a minimum number in some of the components of OPP. So that's why I've seen a lot of people struggle with DBMS, especially in the OPP part. So you need to take care of that as well. So try to balance the OPP courses as well versus the non-OPP. So uh, that's the thing. So that's why in the degree level, when I have the choice, I really avoided the OPP courses because I really don't like the OPP part. but in the diploma we don't have that much that choice, so we need to go with the OPP. uh, and then MAD 1 and MLF are not so difficult. MLF might be difficult, but if you see, if you take the MLF, MLT, and MLP um, in the three terms, then it will be better. I've seen a lot of people take MLF, MLT together, so that will be difficult, and you will not be able to grasp much of the important concept of the machine learning. So, if you are structuring, uh, I will suggest to take the MLF in the first term, then MLT, and then MLP. So this is my first term of diploma, and this provided me another 16 credit, and now I have 48 credits. So as you can see, these are the TP part, and these are the DD. This one is the DD, so it is quite imbalanced. You can see. Now this is the second term of my diploma, and in this term I did not take any NPTEL courses, but I took two project courses. So since I was not sure how the MAD one project works, so uh, uh, at initially I was a little bit apprehensive of this project, but once I started the project. I really like the project, especially I really like the MAD 1 and the MAD 2 project, and this provided me a lot of learnings, and I believe uh, uh, I will be able to use the learnings from these two project courses later in my career path. So these two projects were quite good, and the BDM project, I don't like really much, but it is quite good if you uh, are into the management and the business part. But if you're not, I don't see much of the point of this BDM project. And the MLP project is also kind of Kaggle contest only, so quite good. But personally, I don't like that much. And then I faced difficulty in the Java, so the Python language was quite has quite a good learning path, but Java is I feel it is quite difficult. So I find the difficulty in the Java part, and I don't have much things in Java, so I really use the Java. So maybe that's why I face difficulty in Java. Uh, and then Mat 2, if you Mat 2 is just a extension of the Mat 1, so not much difficult. So and then MLT, as I told you, I've also taken the MLF, MLT, and MLP, and that is a good path if you follow. And in this BDM project, I have taken, but I was not able to complete because there are a lot of technicalities, technicalities in the BDM. So you need to submit the project multiple times, and there's a proper deadline. So that's why uh, generally, if you do it sincerely, it takes two terms generally. Now they have provided the secondary path, but I will not suggest you to go for the secondary. Better to go for the primary, and as it may hamper your grade as well as your learning. So here also you can see, now this is the balance kind of thing, but still, uh, even now I feel that I could have taken the DD and DP separately. So, anyways, so this provided me another 18 credits, and now it is 66 credits. So now it is my final term of diploma, so Jan 24. So I was planning to complete the diploma in this term, so hopefully I was able to complete it. But at this term, I had three projects, so the course load was quite high in this term especially, and along with this BS I had MS part also. So uh, I was quite juggling in between, but somehow I managed both uh, parts, and I was able to secure the good grades in the both part. So in the project part, so BDM project I had completed in the previous term only, but some of the technicalities was remaining. So I completed in the initial phase only. That this BDM project and this MLP project, I don't face much difficulty because it is just a Kaggle contest. So if you also give some time, you can easily complete the MLP project. But this MED2 project was quite hectic, and I had to devote a full term for this MED2 project. So at the end only, I was able to complete the MED2 project. But the learning was quite good, and I really enjoyed this project. So uh, uh, but I feel the resources provided for the both Med 1 and Med 2 is are really sufficient. And if you give your time sincerely to this project, you can easily uh, get a good grade in both projects. So you will not face much difficulty if you give some time. If you need some output from the program, you need to give some of your time sincerely into the program as well. Now, this system commands is also quite good course, and I really liked it. And if you, from the practical corporate point of view, from the job point of view, it is also quite uh, one of the important courses, and I really liked it. It has also OPP, so uh, it was also challenging for me as well as because of the OPP part. So OPP is quite dependent, and there are a lot of factors in OPP. So uh, that's it. And this business analytics and the BDM was since I'm not much into the uh, business and the management part, so it was quite good courses, but uh, I don't find much interest in these courses. But in the TDS, like tools in data science, was quite good. But at that time, it was not so much good. But now they have improvised this course, and there are a lot of learnings in this course. So I really suggest you to devote your time quite sincerely in this course and do the project sincerely, whatever they are giving. Uh, at our time, they have given the ROE, but that was not structured quite well. So that's the thing. And in the final term, this of diploma, I took the HSMG course of the NPTEL as well. So again, I took some of the relevant HSMG course from my perspective. So I took the patent and the entrepreneurship essential. This I took in Jan April 2024. So later I credited in the BS level. So as you can see, the in the final term of my diploma, the course load was quite hectic. But if you structure it well and if you plan it well, you can easily complete it without any hassle. So if you so you need to just plan it properly. So if you can plan it properly, then execution is not much difficult. So this provided me 20 credits, and this is how my 86 credit is completed. So and by this time I completed by both of my diploma. Uh, since I have to taken in the merged together, so in this time only I've completed both diploma. But if you want, you can complete it separately as well. Now comes to the degree level. So I started my degree level in May 2024, 24 F2. So in degree level, you have the some of the core courses. So I first, since we don't have that much choice in the first term of degree level, so I just took whatever the core courses are available. So earlier there was choice, but now they have made both core pairs compulsorily. So I just took the both core pairs, and it was really interesting since uh, I have gone through the diploma part, uh, so I don't feel much difficulty in the degree part, especially in the first term, because I know how the system is working and how we need to structure and the plan our path. So by this time, I have learned a lot of things about the program. So that's why I not face difficulty. And the courses, since I have taken the NPTEL courses and I have the previous background in this field as well. So that's why I have not faced much. That's why I have not faced much difficulty. But still, this AI course is uh, highly practice oriented. You need to practice a lot, and there are a lot of mathematical things in this AI course. But if you watch the course carefully uh, and sincerely, I don't think you need any additional resources. Dr. Deepak Khewani has taught this course quite well, and I really enjoyed this course. And it is just quite interesting. And deep learning course is also quite good. So I will suggest you, if you are entering in the degree level, I will suggest you to learn about the deep learning before entering into the degree level, so that you will not face much difficulty. So deep learning course is also structured quite well, and the Mitesh Kapra sir has taught it quite well. And this two, software engineering, software testing, uh, are quite good course. But this software engineering has a group project, so you need to maybe devote more time in the software engineering. So uh, I believe the if you have good team, so this is the team project. So I believe if you have a good team, then this course project is not that much problematic. But if you don't have a good team, then the project, especially the group project, might be a barrier for you. So this term I credited the four NPTEL credits which I have taken in my diploma first term. So this provided me, previously it was 86, and this provided me 16 and another four. Now it becomes 106 credits. So as you can see, these are the PP and the BD courses. So there are some of the requirements also. You need to take the two four level BP and the four level BD courses. So these are the three levels. So after the completing the core courses, you need to structure your electives accordingly. So in the seventh term, September 24, I structure it accordingly. So this SPG course is the one of the core courses. So we have to take it anyhow. So this comes under HM. And apart from that, for BP, I took this privacy and security. So I really like this. So it has the handwritten component. So I want to check it out also, like how the handwritten component works. So I took this course and I really enjoyed it. So this was quite good. And this LLM, I took it intentionally. So I had decided much before to credit this LLM. So this is quite relevant to our current technology. So this one I have taken and decided much before. And this game theory, I really don't like it much, but since they have introduced this minor, so I decided to to complete the minor as well. So I took the game theory as well. But honestly, I don't like that game theory part much, since I am not much into the business part. So if you have liked the BDM and the BA courses, then you might like this game theory part. But it is just my honest feedback. It depends on the person to person. So this is completed my, like, this is one of the BD 5 credits course, and this one of the BP 4 credit course. So this is another BD. So this I think comes under the BD or HM as well, but you can credit it accordingly. So this provided me another 16 credit, and it comes to 122. Now this is my final 8th term. So this is Jan 25. So this time I took the corporate finance just to complete the minor requirement, and this managerial economics also for the minor requirement. And this DLP course, I took it intensely, and it was quite a good decision for me. I really learned a lot, and the one of the best thing about this course, like, there are a lot of Kaggle contest, and uh, whatever learnings we are getting in the course are put into the practice through this Kaggle contest. And this Kaggle contest thing really was quite good. So in case of MLP, they have only one Kaggle contest at the end only. So they could have conducted the Kaggle contest like multiple times, just like in the DLP courses. So that will be much better. And this RL course, it's quite a good course. but I found it difficult and it is quite mathematically intensive. But it is quite a good course and quite relevant to the current technology. So it is better. It is quite important to balance the easier courses with the relevant courses, so that by taking the only the easier courses, you will uh, not be able to take the relevant courses. So that's why it is important to balance the both learning and the easiness. Anyways, so this provided me 16 credits and the 4 NPTEL credits, HSMG courses I credited in this 8th sum. So it completed my 142 credits. So, and at the end, my final CGPA comes around 8.65. So it is quite good. It is better if you have the CGP of 8 or more by the end of the program, because otherwise you will not be able to get the good opportunities. So for the placement and all, I don't have much idea since I have not participated. But better to have more CGP, and uh, apart from CGP, it is better to have the good grasp of the concept whatever taught in these courses. So uh, uh, so many people try to improve their CGPA by taking the improvement courses, but I really don't suggest to do that, because that is twice, in the terms of cost perspective, that is twice. And apart from that, there's not. If you really want to improve, I will suggest to just watch the lecture videos again instead of the devoting time in the grades part. So that's the thing, but again, it depends on you. So, uh, I think this video is has become quite long. So at the end, I just want to say, uh, it is your learning journey. You need to decide, and you need to work on it. So I am here just for the guidance. So with this, goodbye, take care, and happy learning.
There's things I can't seem to let go.